Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. A winner unboxing. I know some friends would like me to would like the outdoor sound. I also like the outdoor sound. And there was one time I made a video with the neighboring children play around, and I was quite intimidated by their sound, the noise, the sound. And then some friends said they like it, so so that's good. You will hear, yeah, the neighboring sound suddenly becomes quiet. Anyway, I'm sorry you will lose the neighboring sound. Anyway, this is a winner unboxing and it's a little bit different. I have quite some of these products. This is the second time. One time I have these bags and I think it's called Wiskf. And this company said this time we are making it different. This one, not for me. This is for me, but they will give a gift, give out. And if you sign up and you watch this video, you sign up and comment, say, I have signed up. I can draw gift. I think each gift is a gift card of $8. We can go up to 4 gift cards. Yeah, don't know how this one will work out if you are interested, but it doesn't hurt to try. One thing I realized that sometimes just get lucky and win something, even if it's nothing, it just makes us happy. Don't you think so? Oh, look at it! Wow. So this is around $10, $20, not too expensive, I think. So sign up and say you have signed up, you are interested getting it, you will have a chance to win a gift card. And I think, oh, I love it. I think I will do that gift card drawing during one of our live. It's very, very super duper light. Super duper, duper light. This is a little bit fancy. Maybe I can make it into my earring. Can I get it out? Not so easy. I cannot easily get it out. But if I can make 3 pairs of earring for it. Don't you think so? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, only 4. Only 2 pairs of earrings. So this one is very, very, very super duper light. And I think this is, oh, if I travel, this will be very good for traveling. Don't you think so? You can wear it, and this is comfortable for the shoulder, not too thin. You like the neighborhood sound, right? Wow, that's so good. I will do an outfit of the day with it. It can be long, can be short, as long as this can be long until your bottom, and can be short to your chest. It's pretty good, don't you think so? Especially with the sunshine, with the shine of it. Quite good. Okay, one of these, and then another one is this. And I like this kind of very thin, very light bags. So when I travel, it can carry. Oh, this is this. This might be a little bit harsh on the shoulder, don't you think so? But if you do not have too heavy stuff, and also I can combine this belt. This is a little bit too fancy. I feel it might be a little bit harsh for the shoulder. Let me try it. So this is this way, very easy and very voluminous. And you can put a lot of things in it. Look at it, it's quite big. You can put wallet, you can put cell phone, and even cell phone X, and 14 plus X extra, things like that. And you can put pen, a little notebook, lipstick, and face powder, sun cream. Yeah. And because it's light, you do not feel too harsh on the shoulder. I think maybe I will change into this one to make my shoulder more pleasant. Oh, I'm sorry. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? So you sign up and say, okay, you sign up. I will put the website address on the description of this video, and you sign up and say that I want to get that gift card. Then you will be automatically entered into the draw. And if you do not sign up for it, then I don't think you can enter into the draw. Sorry for it. It's just how it works. This can work also. It's not the expensive belt. It's light and relatively pretty, and nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. It's pretty good. Let's try the lens. It's good. I like it. I like it. You know, every time I use a gray bag, it is good, but this feels a little bit fancier and prettier. Don't you think so? Okay, the third one. These are free. They give me for free, so that I will do a video to show you what I get. And this I do it for free. This is an artificial imitation leather bag, and it's a backpack. I think I need some backpack. Oh, you can hand hold it. I need some backpack to put my equipment. Oh, how does it work? This is the way to put it. Oh, you put from the back. How interesting. So you put my tripod. This should be good for a small tripod. My big gimbals, microphones, and cookies, sausage, and something that I want to use. So on the surface, it looks very, very simple. Here is a very small bag. Oh, the sunshine is a little bit too much, right? But otherwise, here the shape is quite good. Don't know how strong it is, but this color is quite interesting. Don't you think so? That's it. Sign up and sign up under the description of this video, and then you will get the lucky draw. Okay, that's about it. I like it. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I love this actually. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Go go bye bye. I love this. Love this.